Cerebellum. Cerebellum is also called the little brain. The brain is much smaller, is a much smaller area of the brain, just located at the base of under the large cerebrum, where it is located. Located just at the base and under the large cerebrum. It has two convolution but has numerous furrows. This also has an outer cortex made up of grey matter. Centrally it has white matter which in a median section appears like a branching tree. The main function of this part of the brain maintain body balance and balance of the body or coordinate muscular activity. The impulse for performing a muscular act or originates in the cerebrum and not in cerebellum. For example, if you stand up and walk, the impulse for this activity arises in the cerebrum, that a conscious part of the brain. The act of walking involves coordinated working of many muscles, proper coordination and timing of their contraction and relaxation is the responsibility of the cerebellum. Now, an alcoholic person when drunk generally walks calmly. The cerebrum, due to the effect of alcohol, is unable to coordinate muscular movement properly because alcohol directly hit on this part of the brain. A brain, that is cerebrum, this part, brain. Medulla oblongata is the lowest portion of the brain located at the base of the skull. Where it is located? At the base of the skull. It is roughly triangular and continue behind the spinal cord. Its function control the activities of the internal organ. For example, peristaltic movement of the alimentary canal, movement of breathing of the heart, beating of the heart, and many other involuntary action. Injury of the medulla generally result in death. Injury in the medulla result in a death. Main function like movement of breathing, beating of heart, peristaltic movement of the alimentary canal, and its injury result in death. Three reasons in the brain. All taken together, the brain may be said to be consist of three primary reasons, that is the forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Now forebrain contain cerebrum and diencephalon. Cerebrum and diencephalon. Midbrain contains cerebrum, ponus and medulla oblongata. Midbrain small tubular part reflex involving eye and ears and is a small tubular part, and hindbrain contains cerebellum, ponus and medulla oblongata. Now all of you know it about the cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla oblongata. Now what is diencephalon? Diencephalon thalamus relay pain and pressure impulses to the cerebrum. Hypothalamus, it contains hypothalamus, controls the body temperature, and pituitary. It contains two things, thalamus and hypothalamus. Thalamus, what is the function of this thalamus? Relay pain and pressure impulse to cerebrum, and hypothalamus control the body temperature and pituitary. Now next is pons. Pons is located in the center of the brain below the cerebellum. Where it is located? In the center of the brain and below the cerebellum. It carries impulses from one hemisphere to the hemisphere of the cerebrum to the other hemisphere and coordinates muscular movement on the both side of the body. Muscular movement on both side of the body and convey message from one hemisphere to the another. Diencephalon contains two parts, thalamus and hypothalamus, and pons in the center of the brain. Where it is present? In the center of the brain. And what is the function? Carry impulses from one hemisphere of the cerebrum to the other hemisphere and coordinates muscular movement on both sides of the body. Now basically brain principally divided into three types: forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Forebrain contains cerebrum and diencephalon. Diencephalon contains two parts, that is thalamus and hypothalamus. The midbrain is a tubular part only and reflex involving eyes and ears. It can control only eyes and ear. And hindbrain contains two parts, that is cerebellum muscular activity and balance. Next is pons, center of the brain. It is located in the center of the brain and convey messages from one hemisphere to the other cerebral hemisphere. Medulla oblongata, control activity of internal organ like heartbeat, breathing and peristalsis movement. Now next one we will continue with this next in next video with the spinal cord.